Hello everyone, I'm Miss Penguin, your data neighbor. In our last lesson, we covered metric alignment, guiding you on how to identify, organize, and manage key metrics within your organization. We also discussed the importance of ownership and accountability for output metrics, ensuring that each team is focused on the right initiatives to drive the business towards its goals. With a solid foundation in metric alignment, we'll move on to design an actionable dashboard that brings everything together, ensuring that insights are accessible and easy to act upon. In this lesson, we'll explore how to create effective and actionable dashboards. Do you know why did data analysts refuse to make a dashboard for cats? Because they couldn't find any positive KPIs. Sorry, that was a joke. Actually, we don't need all KPIs to be positive to start our dashboards. What we need to think about is to make them actionable. So, what exactly are actionable dashboards? A good performance dashboard should be able to answer 3 key questions. 1. How are we doing today? 2. What will our performance look like tomorrow? 3. What can we improve to make our future performance better? An actionable dashboard goes beyond just presenting raw data. It provides insights that empower decision-makers to take appropriate actions to achieve their business goals. Some non-actionable dashboards suffer from the following issues. 1. Focusing on the wrong metrics or vanity metrics. These metrics might look good on the surface, but don't provide any real insights to help achieve business goals. 2. Missing benchmarks. Without a benchmark or point of comparison, it's difficult to determine if the business metrics are performing well or poorly. 3. Lack of storytelling flow. A dashboard should tell a coherent story, making it easy for users to understand and interpret the data. By understanding and avoiding these common mistakes, you'll be on your way to creating a truly actionable dashboard that drives your organization towards better decision-making and improved performance. In this course, we're going to share a very simple dashboard framework to help you grasp the basic elements and storytelling flow in dashboard design. While this framework won't cover every unique business use case, keep in mind that there is no one-size-fits-all solution when it comes to dashboard design. To create a truly actionable dashboard, you'll need to understand your business and target audience. Before we dive into the details of each dashboard element, let's quickly touch on some critical factors you should consider before building your actionable dashboard. Understanding these factors will help you create a dashboard that truly meets the needs of your organization and drives impactful decision-making. 1. Target audiences. 2. Input metrics and output metrics. 3. Ownership and accountability. 4. Team-level initiatives, goals and targets, and actionable items. We assume you've already covered these aspects during the metric alignment process, as discussed in Lesson 2. If you haven't, we highly recommend revisiting Lesson 2 to ensure you have a solid foundation before proceeding. And there are more important considerations. 5. Available data sources. Before building your dashboard, identify the data sources you'll be using, such as databases, spreadsheets, or third-party tools. Make sure you have access to reliable, accurate, and up-to-date data to ensure your dashboard provides meaningful insights. 6. Dashboard update frequency and use cases. Determine how often your dashboard should be updated and the primary use cases it will serve. Will it be used for weekly meetings, monthly reports, or real-time decision-making? Understanding its purpose will help you design the dashboard to best meet these needs. 7. The right dashboard tools. Select a suitable dashboard tool based on your organization's requirements, budget, and technical capabilities. Some popular options include Google Looker, Tableau, and Power BI. Each tool offers different features and functions, so choose one that aligns with your specific needs. With a solid understanding of your audience, metrics, goals, and tools, let's explore the basic elements of our simple dashboard framework. You can find the following elements in our simple dashboard framework. 1. Scorecards. High-level, at-a-glance summaries of output metrics. 2. Performance trends, showing how metrics have evolved over time. 3. Business segments, a breakdown across various sectors such as product lines, regions, or customer segments. 4. Input metrics, overview, a summary of the underlying factors that influence your output metrics. 5. Actionable top portfolio, a prioritized list of areas that require attention or improvement. We will go into more detail on each of these elements and how they contribute to an effective, actionable dashboard. Let's start with scorecards. These provide a summary of the most crucial output metrics for your company, offering a high-level snapshot of its health. Scorecards are typically placed at the top of a dashboard to set the context for the rest of the elements. It's essential to track your output metrics against target values. Targets help measure progress and identify areas needing improvement. By comparing your current performance to established goals, you can quickly determine if your business is on track or if adjustments are needed. Week over week, percentage changes are another critical aspect of scorecards. WOW changes offer insights into recent performance shifts, enabling you to identify short-term trends and respond promptly to emerging issues. Scorecards serve as the foundation of your dashboard, giving decision-makers an at-a-glance overview of the company's performance. By tracking metrics against targets and monitoring WOW percentage changes, scorecards help set the stage for a deeper analysis of the underlying factors driving your business outcomes. Now that we've covered scorecards, let's look at the next element, performance trends. Performance trends. Following the scorecards, this element offers a visual representation of performance trends over time, typically using line charts or bar charts. These graphs provide a more in-depth look at the data, revealing patterns and changes over time that may not be immediately apparent from the scorecards. By assessing performance trends, you can not only gain a deeper understanding of your business performance, but also project future performance based on historical patterns. For example, a consistent upward trend in user acquisition may indicate an opportunity for expansion or increased investment in marketing efforts. Conversely, a downward trend in revenue might signal the need to reevaluate your pricing strategy or identify potential issues in your sales funnel. Performance trends build upon the high-level insights offered by scorecards, allowing you to analyze changes over time and make data-driven decisions to optimize your business strategies. Having discussed performance trends, let's now delve into the next essential component, business segments. Business segments. This element involves breaking down performance by various business segments, such as markets, product lines, industries, and customer segments. Analyzing performance by segment helps to identify the specific areas contributing to any spikes or drops in overall performance. Understanding business segments can also provide insights into how different teams within your organization, like country managers and category managers, collaborate and contribute to the company's success. Examining business segments can serve as a useful benchmark for new products or markets, helping inform go-to-market strategies. You can use the performance of similar segments as a reference point for setting targets and designing marketing plans for new product launches or market expansions. Once you have a clear picture of segment performance, you can dive deeper into specific segments to examine their input metrics and actionable portfolios. Business segments help you to pinpoint areas of strength and weakness within your organization, enabling you to make targeted improvements and capitalize on opportunities for growth. As we move forward from business segments, let's explore the fourth crucial element, input metrics, input metrics. This component presents a table view of input metrics that explain drops or spikes in output metrics. By analyzing input metrics, you can identify the factors affecting output metrics and understand how they've performed over time. Examining input metrics helps to pinpoint areas needing improvement. Once you've identified these areas, you can develop targeted strategies to address them, ultimately impacting your output metrics positively. For example, if the output metric is monthly active users, MAU, the input metrics might include new users, retention rate, cancellation rate, number of bookings, and average booking value. A high churn rate in this case may prompt you to investigate customer satisfaction and retention, ultimately leading to targeted actions to address the issue. In a nutshell, input metrics allow you to delve deeper into the factors driving your output metrics, helping you to identify areas for improvement and design targeted strategies to enhance overall business performance. With input metrics covered, let's now discuss the final element of our simple dashboard framework, the Actionable Top Portfolio. Actionable Top Portfolio. This component highlights a short list of the most important actionable items based on the 80-20 rule, which states that 20% of the customers contribute to 80% of the company's revenue. Depending on the business model, this section could feature the top merchants, products, or campaigns driving revenue growth. Different teams within an organization, such as operations, marketing, product management, and marketplace teams, can use the Actionable Top Portfolio to identify the most crucial groupings relevant to their objectives. For example, a marketing team might focus on the top-performing campaigns, while a product manager could concentrate on the highest-grossing products or features. By understanding the top portfolio and associated action metrics, each team can develop targeted strategies to drive improvements and optimize business performance. The Actionable Top Portfolio serves as a valuable resource for identifying the highest impact areas and aligning team efforts toward achieving common goals. Actionable Top Portfolio helps you focus on the most significant opportunities for growth, enabling each team to concentrate their efforts on the areas with the highest potential impact on overall business success. Now that we've gone through the elements of an actionable dashboard, let's bring it to life with a story about how a data analyst named Tom utilized our simple actionable dashboard framework. Tom, a data analyst, had recently aligned the company's metrics and built a weekly performance dashboard to present insights. During a weekly meeting, Tom shared his analysis of the dashboard with the team. He started by reviewing the scorecard, where he noticed a 2.8% drop in revenue, the North Star metric, compared to the previous week, and a 9.1% drop compared to the target value. Customer acquisition also dropped by 2.3% week over week. He then investigated whether this drop was a one-time occurrence or a consistent trend. Tom found that both weekly revenue and customer acquisition had been decreasing for 3 consecutive weeks. To understand the source of this decline, Tom analyzed the business segments and discovered that all regions, except for China, had seen an increase in sales. Upon further segmentation by product, he observed that sales of the iPhone had dropped dramatically. Tom then turned to the input metrics table, filtering for the Chinese market and iPhone. He discovered that both weekly orders and traffic had significantly dropped compared to the previous month. Next, Tom analyzed the Actionable Top Portfolio section. He examined the sales attribution of campaigns and customer segments, finding that the attributed revenue of first-time buyer campaigns had experienced a considerable drop in China. He also noticed a decline in the average ordering value and total revenue for the first-time buyer customer segment. Tom realized that there must have been changes to the first-time buyer marketing strategies. Armed with this insight, Tom shared his findings with the marketing manager, highlighting the first-time buyer campaign in China as the key area for action. The marketing manager appreciated Tom's analysis and discovered that the decline was due to a recent adjustment of the first-time buyer product promo code. They then collaborated with Tom on an ROI optimization project to fine-tune the campaign strategies, ultimately achieving positive revenue growth once again. This story demonstrates how Tom used an actionable dashboard to identify trends, discover issues, and ultimately leading to improved business performance. By interacting with the dashboard and sharing insights, Tom played a pivotal role in helping his company grow and succeed. As we wrap up this course, we encourage you to apply our simple, actionable dashboard framework to your business today. By doing so, you can deliver actionable insights to your stakeholders, drive data-driven decision-making, and create real value for your organization. An actionable dashboard helps you and your team identify key trends, uncover hidden opportunities, and stay ahead of potential issues. By adopting our simple framework, you'll empower data analysts like yourself to communicate more effectively with stakeholders and contribute to the overall success of the business. While we've covered a lot in this course, there are many more storytelling skills and advanced dashboard functions that we'll explore in future lessons. In our next lesson, we'll dive into the process of organizing effective and efficient business reviews process, ensuring that all teams stay aligned and that the company remains focused on achieving its goals. We look forward to seeing you in our next course as we continue our journey towards data-driven excellence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content. Hit the notification bell too, so you don't miss out on anything. Do you have any questions or comments about business analytics? Share your thoughts down below and let's continue this conversation. I'm excited to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.